You need to learn to grout, and this is how you do it. I've just knocked out all the wedges. Let's mix some up. This is how you do it, folks. I buy it in the bag like this. I don't buy 20-litre bags. It ends up getting wasted, spilt, you know, so nah. And you're filling 1.5 mil lines, you know, so you don't need a hell of a lot. You don't need to race into it with a drill and This is an ultra white grout, super fine. Years ago, used to use sanded grout all the time because it was always big joints or bigger on the floor and walls, because the tiles were that shitty and sizey, you had to spread your lines. But now with all your tiles that are cut, they're dead accurate, so that's nice fine lines, and you're laughing. This is all there is to it. Slap it in. I haven't jacked up my wash buoy. I should have, because this will be drying quite fast, but it's shiny tile, so I've got a bit of time on the side. I always like to start at the bottom, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you start, really. Just as long as you've got some sort of pattern to it, that you're not going round in circles. This floor is going to have black grout. I'm purposely keeping the tarp on it because it's a shiny black tile and I don't want to scratch it. I don't usually protect my floor because I spread my tile, and so I'm not making a mess with glue and all that. Bang it in. I'm here to teach. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss anything then. If you're wanting to learn, don't bother if you don't want to learn. I'm here to teach you if you do want to learn. The money you can make out of tiling is up there. You know, you can constantly make 150 bucks an hour. Being a tiler, same as a brickie, and other trades. Being a tradesman is not a poor man's job anymore. It never really used to be. It's always been good money as a tiler, but you work for it, you know. I'm 68, and it's taking a little bit getting into it again, because you lose your fitness, or as you get older, you lose your fitness if you stop for a while. You know, like over Christmas, I had 4 weeks off, and then you rip into it again, and you get home and you go, whoa, and you sit on the couch for an hour or so and you stiffen up a little, but a week or so you come right. Okay, I'll carry on with this. I'll stop talking, turn on my radio and get into it. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you. Oh, wrong way. I've got to point this way. I will see you.